ride-along friends.
Today we're going to draw a Father's Day card.
Yeah, and it's kind of a Father's Day poster, right?
Yeah.
And it's going to have a fun message that goes along with the drawing. And we have a lot of things today, huh? Okay, so we need paper. What else do we need?
Paint.
We need green tempera paint, which is pretty much watercolor paint. Pom-poms, like this. And we have these colored papers that we cut out. This is gonna be a pot for our drawing because we're actually making cactuses. You can pick whatever color you think your father would like. And then we also have
Glue.
yeah, non-toxic, safe glue. Make sure you get permission from your adults to use all this supplies. And we have markers or any other drawing supplies. Oh, and this kind of plate.
Yes.
And it can be anything. We picked a plate and we're gonna pour some paint on it. Okay, so let's begin. So this is a great art to do just in time for Father's Day or any other occasion where you want to celebrate somebody. It can be a birthday card or anything like that. So we put a little bit of green tempera paint on this plate. And Mia now is going to demonstrate. She's gonna put paint all over her hand. Let me know if you need more paint. Yeah, make sure you get the bottom of your palm too.
This plate is kind of small.
Is it even for your hand?
Yes.
Okay, just move your fingers around. And this is a great craft to do with the little ones because
Oh my!
they'll have so much fun.
Alphaba!
From Wicked? Yeah, they'll have so much fun just getting paint all over them. Okay, so I'm gonna do it too. Tempera paint dries quickly. We're going to put it right in the middle of our sheet. You ready? Make room for your pot. Kind of in the top middle maybe. Just put your handprint. Press it down. This is gonna be the cactus. Alright, so we have the cactus base. We're gonna take a quick break to wash our hands really quick. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Our hands are not green anymore. Or we're gonna take these cutouts that we're gonna use for pots for the handprint cactus that we made. So we're gonna glue this on too. And we just picked the colors that we liked. Mia's dad likes black and white, so Mia picked black. And then we're gonna glue it on. And if you don't wanna use extra paper for these pots, you can just draw a pot on the paper directly. So we're just gonna use a little bit of glue to glue on our pot. There we go. And the reason why we picked a cactus is because of the message we want to write on there, right? You wanna share what the message is?
Spike-Tacular Dad.
That's right! So, let's write Spike-Tacular Dad on top. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so Mia already started, but it's Spike-Tacular S-P-I-K-E. And then we're gonna put a dash or a hyphen and spell tacular. T-A-C-U-L-A-R and then dad, D-A-D. I'm gonna write hub because he's my husband. With a little exclamation point. cute. I love the heart. And then for the pot, you can decorate it however way you want. But we thought it would also be cute if you drew a little cute face on the pot. So I'm just gonna draw a couple of circles and then a little smiley face right in the middle for a little face on the pot. And that will allow the paint handprint to dry a little bit more before we do more onto the cactus. Because what do cactuses have?
Flowers.
Flowers and
Spikes.
spikes. That's why we wrote Spike-Tacular, because there's going to be lots of spikes on the cactus, right? We're just waiting for the handprint to draw a little bit more by decorating the rest of the page. So I think our paint's dried enough. So now we're going to take some markers and we're gonna draw lots of spikes. That's right, we're gonna draw spikes on the cactus. And you can draw it wherever you would like on the green parts, just to show that this is a spiky cactus. So we're just gonna draw these short lines all over, and it can point in different directions. And then if there are still wet spots in your drawing, you can try to avoid it a little bit or wait a little bit more until the paint dries more before putting all these spikes. And this is so fun to do because we even made this for Mother's Day, right? Yeah, we did it with your little cousin who's just over 1, and she did an amazing job. This is a fun activity to do with the little ones as well. Okay, you ready for the pom-poms? All these pom-poms are gonna represent the flowers on a cactus. So we're gonna glue it on in different spots wherever you would like, and that's going to add a little bit more color to your cactus. Okay, so you know which ones you want to use? Ready for the glue? Okay. So a little glue goes a long way, so put a little bit on your paper and then place your pom-pom on it, and then we can let it dry. So try not to move it around too much, and then you can press it onto the paper. This is such a simple craft. It just takes a little bit of patience for the paint to dry and the glue to dry too. Okay, I think I'm done.
Me too.
Just gonna let it dry, and there it is, Art Along friends. A Spike-Tacular Dad poster.
Like and subscribe to Art Along.
See ya.
Bye.